Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian, and I want to show some of the items that I've started putting together. I did a whole purple set, and I had 5 of the purple Epsom salt. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of that one. And I did them all with lavender candles in them. And this one in the back has the that 5-piece set that has the purple in there, and I might take it apart and just lay them out separate, but right now I have that as that one because I ran out of the other items. And then I did this green color, and that one all had the light mint green color Epsom salt and the actual chill foot cream, and that all kind of matched each other, and I did 5 of them. And I have two. One, I have the Onyx Watermelon Splash bath bomb in, and the other one is just the loofah and the other 2 pieces. And I kind of I'm going to mix each one of those up, and then this one has one of the other types of hydrating foot masks and hand mask and the little foot spa kit with that one. And that one, I just have to put some more shred in that one because I've already built it up. And I just got to put shred in that one and bag all of those. And then I did these 3 here with the pumpkin chai latte. And then I found the pumpkin latte bath, what are they called? Shower fizzers. And I put the cup with that one. And if I can find, before I bag it up, if I can find some of the tea that has to do with pumpkin, I would probably get some of that and put a couple of bags in each one of the cups. And then I did a cucumber melon back here in the back, and put the green cosmetic bag with that one, along with the green cup and the which one is these makeup removing facial wipes on that one. This one, the blue, is the vanilla bean, and the take it to go navy blue cup with that one. And then I found some little miniature sets, and this one is the body lotion and the spray mist. This one is the body lotion and the bath gel or shower gel. This one is the body wash and a lotion, the body wash and a lotion. And then this one I just wanted to see how it would come out. Is I have a whole lot of these little boxes, and I took one of the jasmine blossom candles and put it inside to see how it would fit. And it fits in there pretty well. And I just haven't sealed it up or anything, but I'm trying to see if I want to put anything else in it, or is that good? Because I haven't taped it down yet, to see if I want to put anything else, or how does that look just by itself. Then I had 5 of these little tubs that I got from the Dollar Tree in the toy section, over with where the doll clothes and everything was. And so I decided I want the bear to be like the bear was in the bathtub. And I had 4, because I had 5 of them, but I didn't have enough strawberry scrub to put in there. So I put one of the Japanese cherry blossom body lotion that I had, and then I put the hibiscus hand sanitizer, and I did the one bear with the white and red for that one because everything else was white and red. And then these were strawberry, and then he has fuchsia on, and that's strawberries and cream body butter. And this is the actual what the tub looked like. So I did a front view, but then I turned around and turned it to the side so you can actually see how it looks with him sitting in the tub. And then this concept here, I did a cherry blossom and jasmine. It was a 4-piece set, which was the bath salt, bath lotion, the massage soap bar, and then the shower gel. And all of that was a 4-piece combination. And then I'm going to put, once I put some shred around that, I'll go ahead and put it in a bag and wrap it up. And then behind that one, I'll move it back a little bit. I did the hand soap and the makeup remover facial wipes that all matched, as well as the body wash. And all of those was that pretty color blue-green. So I did that. I have to put a little bit of shred in that one, and then that's ready to be wrapped up. I've, as I said in the other room on another video, I found these blue mugs, and I thought about, when I got them, I thought about the Vanilla Bean body lotion and that foot mask set that I had. And I was like, well, that can go in there with some shred paper and some shred and wrap that up, and that'd be good to go. So that's what I'm going to do with them, because this one is a different pattern from the other one. And back here, I already had two that were, at the time, I didn't have anything lemon. So I used this lemon bath salt, and then a shower gel and a spray mist in that one, and the same as the other one behind there. And that actually says easy peasy lemon squeezy on the mug. And then I went and since I found the Yardleys, I did the Yardley Epsom salt, the lotion, the deodorant, the soap, and then I made one of the bears, and I put that one in there. And this one, I have to go back to the store because I don't have any more soap and deodorant to fill in those two spots for this one. But this one, I have had everything. And so I did the Epsom salt, the lotion, the deodorant, the soap, and then I did my little bear, and I put purple on him so that he could match with this set. And then next to this one, I did Whitney Houston set, and that's the perfume, the spray mist, the body lotion. I put a little blender sponge in here, and the cosmetic bag, and then one of the white cups for that one. And in this one, I did on a blue plate that we got from Hobby Lobby. And I just put everything that I saw that was that color that I had when I looked over on my in my cubicles to see what I had with those colors. And that's what I came up with, those colors. And I'm going to put shred around that one, those, and then wrap them up. And then I went on to, I found this peach nectar hand soap, which matches this Be Fierce mug. And it also matches this little table decor. And then the orange and white, try to let you see, the orange and white candle from Walmart. So I'm going to put that all together, put some shred in there, and then bag that up. And the same for this green one is the green and white candle. And this time I'm using Country Lemonade because I don't have any green hand soap. And then this one says Chase Your Dreams. And then it has the actual matching little hand decor, table decor that I put in the back of that one as well. Now it's not sitting the way I had it, but that's basically how it was. And then that's the little blue recipe card. And I'll turn this one around a little bit. And I just have those 3 pieces in there as a concept. And then I had the bag. One of the bags I purchased, I just put the body lotion, and this was eucalyptus mint scented body wash. And then I put the blue hand sanitizer in the back, and I have to put some shred in the bottom of that one. And for this one over here, well, since I'm right here, I did these little orange boxes. I put in one of the lotions and the body wash, And then it had a matching bath bomb. So I put that in there, and I'm missing one more thing, and I might just put some shred instead in that middle piece of that one. And then I move over to another one that I made. And this time it was the sweet peach and nectar scented body wash and the peach nectar hand soap. And it had peach rings was the candle, and as well as the citrus sunrise little bath bomb that was an orange color. So I put all of that together in that one, and I'll fix that one up and then seal the box and seal the box on the other one. And then this one here, I did the strawberry body wash, the strawberry scrub, the strawberries and cream body butter, and then this is a strawberries and cream candle. And I'm going to put the shred around that and bag that up. And so far, all of those would be ready to, all these here just need to be bagged, and they're all ready to go. They'll be ready to put aside and be ready for my event that I'll be having next month. And then as I come over here on this side, I did the little bag concepts, and I put in here the coconut body wash, and then I had the coconut beauty oil and the coconut cleansing wipes. And so I turned one way and then one the other way, so you'll get a chance to see both of them. And I did one of LBE's LLC's. I put this her Marcia red squishmallow. I put her in a bag, and I put another bag inside of this bag, and I had the spin toothbrush, the toothpaste, and the flosser. And I put all of that in the bag together. And I have four of those, so I got 3 more of those to do. And then these I just did, I put them in a bag. It's just the hand soap and lotion in green, and hand soap and lotion. Trying to get a better, okay, there it is. Hand soap and lotion and a lavender. And then this one was body wash, Epsom salt, and the hand soap, and that was all a lavender. And behind that one, I did the Himalayan pink bath salt and the what's the name of this one? Summer berry shower gel and spray mist was that one. And then I did 3 more of the hand soaps and the cucumber melon lotion. And then I did a relax hand lotion and the Bodycology hand soaps in those. And then these here in the middle here are the I'll take one out so that you can see it, since you can't really see it, are the Power Stick Shower Gel Brazilian Mist. And so in this one, it's Brazilian Mist, Shower Gel, Hand Lotion, Spray Mist. Which one is this? The Face and Body Wipes, as well as the deodorant. That's in both of those there. And then I have my body lotion, the cup, the Energize, which is green body wash. And then this one has the hand mask, and the other one has the foot mask. They're the same ones, except one is the foot mask and one is the hand mask for that set. And then this set was one of the items that I found this weekend when I found the towel and the oven mitt, the cup, and then I just added these 2 because they blended with the rest of those. And I put them in this basket. And then this one is the green set with the Fresh Bloom, which is the lotion, the body wash, and the body scrub. And this one is the spray mist, the body wash, and the lotion, and a loofah. And then back there pretty much is the same things, except that's the Coconut Coast one. And some had only I think only one has that blue loofah. I have to find some more of those because I don't have any more of the loofahs. And then if I can't find any more, then I'll find something else because I do have the hand sanitizers that's that color as well. So that's all for what I've been working on. But I just wanted to show all of these because I know I have been doing a lot of hauls and now I've gotten a lot of stuff to work with. And I'm now ready to start putting everything in containers and to pull out all of those boxes. I have more than enough, at least my feelings, I have more than enough containers now. And I have more than enough boxes because I've gotten all of those different ones, those different times from the bin store. So now I'm just ready to just start making the concepts and putting them in the bags and wrapping them all up and putting them to the side so that I can be ready to street sale for the holidays as well as take orders when somebody call and ask for a basket. Like they said, I'd rather have them already done and waiting than me having to run around and try to get the items that you need. So that's where I am now. And so I'm going to end this video now. And until the next video, like, comment, share the video. If you're not a subscriber to my channel and you're watching this video, can you subscribe to my channel? I would greatly like to have you as one of my subscribers. And I look forward to you seeing some of the next videos that I will be bringing out. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good evening, afternoon, or morning, whichever time it is that you're watching this video. Thank you. Goodbye.